In this video, I'll guide you through how to copy a link from Surveymonkey. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out with Surveymonkey, knowing how to quickly and easily share your survey is crucial. Let's dive right into the steps to make sure you can share your survey efficiently. First, you need to open your preferred web browser and head over to surveymonkey.com. As a widely used platform, SurveyMonkey's interface is designed to be user-friendly, but sometimes finding the right feature can be a bit tricky, especially if you're new to it. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up to access the full features of SurveyMonkey, including creating and sharing surveys. Once you're logged in, your next step is to click on the All Surveys section. This section is typically located on the dashboard and provides a comprehensive list of all the surveys you've created or have access to. This makes it easy to find the specific survey you're looking to share. Keep in mind that if you have a lot of surveys, you might want to use the search bar to quickly locate the one you need. After you've found the survey you want to share, click on it and then select Edit Survey. This option allows you to make any last-minute changes or adjustments to your survey before sharing it. It's always a good idea to double-check your survey to ensure everything is in order and that it's ready for distribution. Editing is straightforward, and SurveyMonkey provides various tools to customize your questions and settings. Now that your survey is ready to go, the next step is to click on Publish Survey. This is a crucial step because publishing your survey makes it live and shareable. SurveyMonkey will usually take a moment to process this, and then you'll be ready to move on to the final step. If you receive any prompts or messages at this stage, make sure to read them carefully, as they might contain important information about your survey's settings or visibility. Finally, once your survey is published, you'll see an option to copy link. Clicking this button will automatically copy the survey link to your clipboard. This link is what you'll use to share your survey with others. It's a good idea to paste the link into a document or notepad first, just to make sure it's been copied correctly. From there, you can share it via email, social media, or any other platform you prefer. And there you have it. This simple guide has walked you through how to copy a link from SurveyMonkey. By following these steps, you can easily distribute your survey and start collecting responses right away. Remember, the key to a successful survey is not just in creating it, but also in efficiently sharing it with your target audience. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or check out SurveyMonkey's Help Center for more detailed support. Happy surveying!